this house, you can tell that the meter was tampered with. That is not how a meter can should look. You cannot see the overhead line because it has been removed by city utilities. Here's the transformer it should be feeding from. But the last storm, let's see if I can get a good picture here. Last storm bent the meter over, or the riser over. Oh, it looks like somebody's already chopped off the overhead lines. You can kind of see right over here is where they should be.